Hello, this is all about budgies, and this is a video of one of my English budgies eating his spray millet. Now he's currently set up with a female, also English budgie, and I'm going to be posting a breeding journal. I recently paired them up together, and hopefully they'll yield very big and healthy chicks. Now, I wanted to make this video because if you have any questions or if you want me to make a video about something specific, I would really love your feedback. And you can either make a video reply, or you can send me a message, or you can just post it on my channel, and I'll try my best to get back to you and answer your questions as best as I can. Another thing, I created a new channel. It's called My Bird World. On that channel, I will be posting all of the other birds that I currently have or breed. And like, for example, I have a set of black mask lovebirds that I'm currently breeding, and I will be posting my journal there as well. It's the first time that I've attempted to breed black mask, so we'll see how that goes. And don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment.